Hey, this is Rakib from Academy LMS. Today we are going to explore how to customize table column in any page where we show table columns. It offers a personalized sorting experience. At the students page, by default, you can see 5 columns. But you can personalize your column viewing experience from the Table Column Filter button. You can hide or show columns as your preference. Yes, you can customize columns. If you need to rearrange the second column to the first, you can do so. There is a reset button to get back to the default view. It's quite easy, right? Let's move into other pages like announcement or the assignment page. You can do the same here. At the courses page, you can also customize table columns as your preference and necessity. Now let's talk about model pops up. From here, you can view them in full screen, medium screen, or small screen. That's quite snappy, right? Enjoy a more organized dashboard and sort only the information you need. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.